这两个能用是吧？
但是直播都要查我们的公众号。
不一定。
什么人？
往里边放啊。
可以了，一放了。哎，等会儿我把那个。
看着跟那休闲了一样。
木材系的。
哎，好，这可以了。
这个直播能不能横屏啊？
这个是的。
啊？阿里直播能不能用横屏？
不行，
只能竖屏是吧？那就这个。你们俩做软
这手机的问题，你看这手机。
手机不中。
它稍微一平点儿，它就
亮度开到最亮。
最大。
最大的就那样。你看他把人的衣服的色。
没有啊。没找到。你不是我手机在找吗？
你俩做了，我看一下，都入镜了没？
这直接连线没有蓝牙。
应该是官网，我记得
背景音乐了。
应该是在那儿，应该是在那个认证。
这个不能用。
你找啥？
公司视频呢？
公司视频啥公司视频？
原来
官网的那种 BV 就行啊。
BV 的那个。
都有呀，只有刚刚精品成体的没有在这个国念夹的。那个都在那个里面，它原来在哪，它还在哪，在那硬盘里都有。
关键是叫啥名字呀？咱找出来。
之前的没有找过。
共享文件的应该是那个啥。
这个你的这是公司的是吧？
这是阿里。
共享文件的。
关闭美颜。
我问你还记得咱桌上原来两个音响放哪儿了吗？
不记得。
那音响接的。
用谁手机？用谁手机吧？
就是电脑现在没位置。
谁？你的
对，用手机吧。
那在那里头上一回开会的时候。
不是电脑线可以就插电脑上就行了，那里也可以插电脑就行。
这俩不都是插电脑的吗？
谁有手机？
插电脑，但是电脑放了。
啊？就用电脑也行啊。
用电脑放了，你们电脑你们自己放一下。
不是用电脑放，然后给它插音，这个也要插电脑。
不说其他背景音乐，就是视频声音也行啊，至少咱们介绍视频好它有个声。
你把那个拿过来吧。
那小一点还是好。
这个我不好弄，那不好弄。
用这个吧。
那不是不好整吗？
好，这两个人没啥问题了，谁又要？
放这可以吗？
谁还有手机要直播吗？
有谁有手机直播放在这里可以。
先放哪？
放那，先放那。
可以随手给他看一下哈，我手机放哪了？
那个啥，那个查看评估一下。
为啥这个找不到呀？
这个横屏的看着还可以啊。
比像素也好一些。
找公司的事情。我手机在用着呢，我手机上有。
不是，我这个想要把它评估一下，这看不出来哪个是哪个。
这个查看评估。
这在所有评估，这样看出来。没有。
空白处选择。
对，空白处。
查看方式，查看。
电线的。
上头那个。
顶铺它铺的是。
用那个嘛，用它就用这个 BV 视频就行了。
就是那个 BV 视频。
应该是有个插上。
这个也行，用这个找到那个网站上。
这个现在还要不要？
那个音响有点挡那个了。音响给他拿下。放这边吧。
电源线。
放地上。
行，放地上。这个电源线先插上，它哪个接口？
咱就放个那个。
咋把那圈子卸下来了？
声音先调一下，然后。
放那里看看有没有声音。
3分钟啊。
声音啊。
找个视频。
你们俩那个音响。
BV 视频那个。
应该是这个，就是这个。别给他搞
开大点，声音开大点。
这48秒太小太短了，知道吗？
其他的还有是吧？
不是现在在找，但跟他说。
把电脑的声音开大点，夫人。
还要开大。
开到最大。
or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center.
关小一点。 就需要一个音乐，要没有音乐的话太干了。
谁把手机或者给他弄个音乐？
我说看一个，我们得不是他
播了，时间到了啊！
开始了啊，3、2、1了啊！你把那个
谁帮着
啥关
这个？
你们俩流程不是先介绍自己，然后介绍这个啊？
先介绍自己，介绍公司，看个视频，然后再介绍上。
不，先介绍这个。
就是介绍自己，介绍这个呀。
嗯。
他肯定先介绍自己，介绍自己呀。他上来就跟他介绍这干啥？先介绍自己，介绍公司，然后再介绍这个。
我上车这样来一点，
一会儿我不要站起来讲吗？
哦，站起来。
3、2、1啊！好，3、2、1，开始。
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello, this is Phoenix Lu, and I'm working at Zhengzhou. We are providing high-quality agricultural and forestry machinery. 25 years, and our products have been exported more than 60 countries in the world. Now we will show you our company video.
Zhengzhou Weiwei Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research.
This is the office of our company, and this is the working room. This is our exhibition.
This is our second floor of our storage of the machine.
Zhengzhou Weiwei Machinery Company Limited. Zhengzhou Weiwei Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011.
This is the office room of our
This is a
company.
professional manufacturer engaged in research, development and orders.
This is the dynamic
products from our catalog.
equipment of our company.
Assistance for your
This is
application.
welding shop.
You can talk to our customer service center.
This is our factory. This is the popular machine.
This is the exhibition room of our company. This is a small corn sheller.
Zhengzhou Weiwei Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development and orders. When selecting a current product from our catalog,
This is our wedding. This is a popular chip cutter machine, and we have exported to many countries. This is the feed pallet machine. You can see the picture. This is the popular corn sheller machine. Next, I will introduce the poster.
And our main product is woodworking machine and the chip cutter. Now let us see the woodworking machine now. This is a small wood chipper and max 25 horsepower gasoline engine. And the capacity is about 400 to 1,000 and 500 kg per hour. You can introduce our model 420.
Okay, this is our popular wood chipper machine, and this machine for the plant factories, for this one, and for the burning. This one is the popular one, and this model is 420.
Yes.
And this for this machine we have different capacity and different models. This is just the small one.
Yes, the smallest capacity is 1 ton per hour.
你的没连上，都没插上，你都没有插上，你也有事。
你怎么来？
它没插上，它自己掉了。哦，是把它自己掉了。
给你先放这就可以。
And this is our main woodworking machine, and the capacity is 1 ton per hour. And the final size of the wood chips is 3 to 5 centimeters. And the final products can be used for the biomass power plant and also for the fertilizer factory. Please introduce this one.
Okay, this one is the middle one type. It's the model 600, and this machine mainly for the cutting the wood into the small pieces, and for the small pieces mainly used for the burning factories and plant factories. And this machine have different capacity. This is just the middle one.
And this one customize the type, and we can enlarge the inlet and can put much more material. And the final usage also be used for the biomass power plant and also for the furniture factory.
把海报往前拿，看镜头讲。海报往前拿。看镜头，不要一直头低着。我先进去看一下，看不见。
And this is our model H00 wood chipper machine. Capacity is 2,000 to 5,000 kg per hour. And for this model, we can customize the different frame, like electric frame and diesel engine frame. And you can use this model.
Okay, this is the feeding pot with the level feeding pot.
Yes.
This and the put out at a longer put out chopper.
Yes, and the capacity can reach 10,000 to 12,000 kg per hour. And this is 1,200 model. Capacity is 10,000 to 14,000 kg per hour. And this machine, the inlet can contact with the automatic feeding channel, then put the material easily.
And for this machine type, we can because we are factory, we can offer electric motor, diesel engine, and for the PTO type, right?
Yes. And the yellow model is also our popular woodworking machine. It is mainly used in the garden, and the capacity is 1,000 to 5,000 kg per hour. And the inner blade have 2 types, 4 blades and 6 blades. And the final size can reach 3 to 5 centimeters.
Yes, this machine is suitable for the garden.
Yes. Can cut the branches.
Yes, wood branches into small pieces.
Yes.
And this you can see the picture. This machine for the diesel engine. Also for this machine also can for the PTO.
Yes, and for electric motor, the power is 22 kilowatts and can also match with 32 horsepower diesel engine.
For the bigger one, for the motor is 65
kilowatts and 102 horsepower diesel engine.
Yes.
And this is the small model. This one is the bigger model.
You can see the picture. This type with the big wheels, it move very easily for this type. You can see the picture, the final pieces.
Like
See
this.
like this.
Yes, sir.
This is for the wood branch with the leaves. This one.
Many machines have a screen in the working room, so the customer can adjust the screen and reach the different size.
Yes. You can see the raw
Branch.
with leaves.
Yes. Now let us introduce the chef cutter machine. We will move the photo to the camera and you can see clearly. And this is our smallest model chef cutter. This model has the manual feeding type and also have the automatic feeding type.
Yes, you can see the picture. This is have a deceive. This deceive can adjust the final piece's length.
Yes.
This have 3 position. This is the longer. This is the empty. This is feeding pot. And you just need to put the grass on the feeding pot.
Then we'll feed easily and safely.
Yes.
And the short cutting length is 14 millimeters and the long cutting length is 18 millimeters. The power of this machine is 2.2 kilowatts and also can match with 6 horsepower gasoline engine and diesel engine.
Yes, you can see the picture. This one is the new type.
Yes.
This one you can see the frame. This frame can match 3 engines, such as electric motor, gasoline engine, horsepower. And for this type, you can see this at our upper feeding pot. This can put the raw material such as the sweet potato, radish.
Yes.
The final pieces will be smaller.
Yes.
You can see the picture. This one, the radish. This one radish. This is the final pieces.
Yes, and this in light for the grass and stock. Both dry and green grass and stock. The capacity of this machine for green corn stock can reach 1,000 kg per hour.
And this machine also can cutting the sugar cane.
Sugar cane, yes.
You can see the picture. All this the final pieces. This is the dry final pieces. This is the wheat final pieces. This is the radish. Also can the potato, sweet potato.
Potato, cabbage.
Yes.
And for this machine, last Pakistan customer visited our factory. We use the small branch. It is about 2 or 3 centimeters, and also for the sugar cane also can cut. And this one is our multifunctional grass chopper machine.
We have one series for the different models. With the smaller one, middle one, and
kg per hour, and the middle model is about 600 kg per hour, and the lightest capacity is about 800 kg per hour. And for the green grass and stock can also reach 1 ton per hour.
yes, for this machine we can match different engines, such as if this type of machine match with the electric motor is the 3 kW, and for the gasoline engine about 6 horsepower, for the diesel engine about 6 horsepower. And for this machine, because we are factory, we can offer you different frame according to your requirement. This picture, you can see this picture. We can use it can move very easily. And this is the handle, and you can put it very easily.
Yes, and for this customized type and can install diesel engine, electric motor, and also for the gasoline engine.
Yes, you can see this machine color.
3 outlets and the low outlet for the greens mainly, and the major outlet and top outlet for the grass and the stock.
Yes, for this machine, because this machine is multi-function, cutting grass machine with 2 functions, and this machine with the inner.
Yes, it can make the grass and the stock much finer. And this is the small model of the multifunctional grass chopper. And for this inlet for green and rice, and this inlet for grass and stock.
Yes, dry and wet.
Yes, both are okay. And the rim can also customize like this. And this one is 1.5 ton per hour chip cut machine. And it have 4 blades and 6 blades type.
Yes, this machine very popular. For this machine, you can cut in the grass for the wet and the dry grass both are okay. And for this machine, for the electric motor is the 3 kilowatts. For the gasoline engine about 6 horsepower. For the diesel engine about 6 horsepower. You can see this picture. This machine have 2 outputs. This is the upper. This is the lower. For the upper. For this DC, you can adjust the distance, the final pieces. You can put here.
With a nozzle, this one can adjust the flying distance.
Yes, you can adjust. It operates very easily.
Yes, and this frame can also customize.
You can see this machine, the frame on the side.
And the inner structure have 4 blades and 6 blades. Also have the hammer blades. Can make the grass and the stalk much finer.
Yes, for this machine we have added the hammer blade about 9 pieces for this machine.
Yes. And this is our 2 ton per hour chip cutter machine. It is our new machine with the automatic feeding. This one also can feed the material easily and safely to the floor or to the truck.
You can see this picture. This machine also our popular machine. You can see this. This with the automatic feeding pot. You just put the grass here.
And for this type, it is a 3 ton per hour chip cutter machine. We also have the manual feed and also have the automatic feeding type.
And for this machine, we can for the engine, electric motor, diesel engine, and a tractor for this one.
Yes, and for the electric motor, the power is 4 kilowatts. And for the diesel engine, we can use 12 horsepower diesel engine.
And for this machine, if for the diesel engine, we can customize the frame, build it move very easily.
Yes.
Also for the PTO type, we can also customize can adjust the final pieces size.
Yes. So we can introduce this one, and this is and it also can cut both dry and green grass and stalk.
Yes, dry and wet both are okay.
Yes. It's suitable for the feeding cattle's sheep. And this model is 6.5 ton per hour. And for the 6.5 ton per hour, also can cut dry and green grass and stock. And the power of this machine is 7.5 kilowatts and also can match with the 15 horsepower gasoline engine.
Yes, for the diesel engine.
Yes.
Also for the PTO type for this one.
Yes.
This one you can see the picture. This one, the red one. The red one is the biggest check cutter machine of our factory. This machine, the capacity is
10,000 kg per hour. And it is our last model. Also can cut dry and green grass and stock.
Yes, for this machine, for the diesel engine, about 25 horsepower. For the tractor, also 25 horsepower.
Yes.
For this one.
And is 18 kilowatts. I have a customer. They feed 5,000 cattle and bought this machine 4 pieces and have good feedback.
For this machine, for 120 feet counting.
Wood the electric model, and this one is.
This one is the diesel engine type. This machine we customize the frame for this one. This with the big wheel, it moves very easily. This one with the diesel engine type about 50 horsepower, and you can see the picture. This machine with the 2 feeding pots. For the orange one can put the grass and small wood branches, and this for the wood logs.
Yes.
And for this machine, the biggest wood logs diameter is about 12 centimeter for this one. And for this machine, mainly used for the plant mushroom and
Yes.
for the fertilizer.
Yes.
This is just the small one, because for this type we have different model.
And this model is also.
This machine is the hammer blade. Later we will open the video. You can see the inner structure. This machine is the
And this one with the bigger wheel.
for this machine. For this machine, when we deliver for this machine, CBM about 1. And for this machine, when we deliver, we can match one set of blade. For this machine, we have different mesh about the final piece size. Usually for the mushroom about 16 for the mushroom. And if you for the fertilizer, the final pieces will be smaller, such as 12 millimeter about this one. You can see this machine.
And this model is also popular in the domestic market.
Yes, this machine is very popular in countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia. This one is the middle one about the model about the 600 type. You can see this picture. For this type, you can see this just one feeding pot. Because we are factory, for this one we can customize about 2 feeding pots, just like this, 2 feeding pots. And for this machine, this machine can match the electric motor, diesel engine, and tractor. if you match the diesel engine about 2020 to 25 horsepower for this one.
And the power of this machine is 30 kilowatts. And this one can for the diameter of the wood. It's about.
This one for the diameter about a centimeter for this one.
Yes, and this one.
This, this one for the, if you put the wood from this feeding pot, the wood diameter about 12 centimeter for this one. And I have customer wants to make the fertilizer for this machine, use this machine and put the corn cob for this one. You can put it from here
Yes.
for the corn cob.
Yes, this type is modified wood hammer mill. Is for the tractor type, and this is the extra large inlet, and the operator can put the material easily.
Yes, I have a customer from India. She wants to customize this feeding pot bigger because this can put many raw material at one time.
Yes.
Put very easily for this type.
And this is our large model wood crusher machine, and the capacity have 6 to 12 ton per hour, and the inlet is here, and the outlet is the bottom of this machine. And this inlet can also contact with the automatic feeding. And this one is also the larger model of the wood crusher machine. This is the inlet, and
Yes, for this machine, for the all the type wheel with the hammer blade. For the different model with the different, you can for this machine, if you according to your requirements, we can match the different mesh. Usually we match the 16
or
Yes.
8 millimeters.
millimeter about this mesh.
And the smallest size is 3 millimeters.
Yes, you can see the picture. We customize this one.
Yes. I have a customer and he customized 60 millimeters
What's the
mesh.
function? What's this one?
This function, outlet.
Just the outlet for
Yes.
this one.
Yes.
You can see the picture because this one output from the lower. This is from the side. According the customer require, we can deliver you different types.
Yes, the customer just need to choose the model and we can customize. And this one is the wood shaping machine. And this one is popular for the animal binding, like the chicken binding and horse binding.
Yes.
And the inner structure have the hammer blade and also the cut blade.
Yes, 3 pieces of about alloy the blades.
Yes. And for the chicken, we can use the small size mesh. If for the horse, we will use the big size mesh.
Yes, for this machine we can match the electric motor and diesel engine, and for the electric motor about 11 kilowatts. For the diesel engine about 15.
Yes, for the 15 horsepower.
And for this machine, and about size about 1 cm.
Yes.
For this one.
Yes. And this is the larger model for the wood hammer mill. And this is the bigger size diesel engine. And for this one, and for this one also have the different size of the mesh, and the small size is 3 millimeters, and the bigger size also can customize 60 millimeters.
Yes, I have a customer from Malaysia. He custom the match about 20 millimeter about this one.
Yes.
For the fertilizer for this
Yes,
one.
I remember he imported the complete line for 20
Yes.
feet container. This is our multifunctional wood grinder machine, and this one have model. One model just one inlet, and for the small wood, small pieces like the coin coop, and small branches, and for another model, it have two inlets. This is the flat inlet for the small branches, and for the coin coop.
Another for the wood logs.
Yes.
The final piece is for the wood pellet. For the pellet for burning.
For the burning factory, biomass power plant, and also can be used for the mushroom cultivation.
You can see the picture. This one.
Cyclone.
This one you can collection the final bag from here.
Yes. And this is the complete line. Complete wood crusher machine, pallet line. I remember a Malaysia customer, they use this.
Yes, use this one.
Use this one.
He ordered the products linked to this one wood hammer mill machine and one cyclone.
Yes.
We do a government project for this one machine.
Yes, and this is our largest wood chipper machine.
Yes, drum type.
Yes, and the capacity is 5 to 6 tons per hour.
Yes.
It can put many tree branches in one time. Okay, let us introduce another model. And this is our small chip cutter, and this one without gear, without the speed gear, and this one with the speed lever. This one is the popular model because it can adjust the.
Many types for this one. About the blade, we have two types. One is the 4 blade, another
Yes.
is the 6 blade.
Yes, and the short cutting length is about 14 millimeters, and the long cutting length is about 28 millimeters.
Yes, for this machine can cut in the glass, wet and dry.
Yes. And this is a customized type because some customers they want a bigger tail and
Yes.
put and can put and can
This can put very easily because
Yes.
with the big wheels.
yes
This is the diesel engine about 6 horsepower for this one. This one also the automatic feeding pot type.
yes. Yes, I have a Dubai customer and they like
This
the
one.
automatic feeding type because they think it is safely.
Yes, very simple. You can see this machine. This machine has the 2 feeding pots. This one feeding pot can put the grass, such as the dry grass and the wet grass, corn stalks, dry and wet. And this one for the corn cob. This one.
Yes, and also for the grains
Yes.
like wheat, soybean.
This machine is the 2 functions.
Yes.
Cutting the grass and ginger the green into small pieces for this one.
Yes, this is the bigger multifunctional chip cutter machine.